You've built amazing tech. So why is it so hard to drive adoption? Imagine a world where complex technology feels simple and powerful. Meet Instruct, the best way to show, sell, and scale software. Built with innovation in mind for teams driving the future of technology. With labs right in your browser and a flexible design, developers can get hands-on fast, empower learning by doing, and speed up time to value through every stage of the journey. Make it easy to learn and love your software. Your tech deserves to shine. Make it happen with Instruct.